When dealing with worded questions, it is very important that you show all your work and include words and sentences in your answers. It is equally important to understand what are given and what needed to be calculated. In this video, I will show you how to use the 5 steps procedure to solve a sample word question. So I like to use a highlighter to highlight the words and numbers or any kind of information that are important in the question. So here in question 7, I highlight the word container that hold 3 3/4 liter of fuel. I highlight the word tank that hold 3/8 liter of fuel, and then I highlight how many tank that can be supplied by one full fuel container. So after I highlighting all the words and numbers that I find important, step 1 is to identify what information are given. So I was given that one container holds 3 3/4 liter of fuel, and then I was also given that one tank holds 3/8 liter of fuel. I was asked to calculate how many tanks can be filled up with one container of fuel. So that's step 1. That's step 2. Step 3 is to set up the calculation. So I can say number of fuel of tanks equal how much fuel I have in one container divided by how much fuel can be held in one tank. And so step 4 is to insert the relevant numbers and calculate the answer. So the fuel in one container is 3 3/4, and then that divided by how much fuel in one tank, and one tank can hold 3/8 liter. So I just need to calculate how much this is. But this is a very complicated operation because it includes mixed numbers and improper fractions. So it could be sensible for us to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction.